Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card. When I stop struggling, I float. And which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this box. Needs become thoughts. Thoughts become behavior. Behavior becomes habits. Habits become identity. You become what you repeatedly do. So what are you doing? Attitudes are contagious. Make sure yours worth catching. Loving yourself changes the way you love others. Stay positive. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. Dennis Brown. And the last one today. You can't change how people feel about you, so don't even try. Just live your life and be happy. Easier said than done sometimes. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.